Why did HUL and Nestle India's profits dip? How does NTPC Green Energy plan to raise 5,000 crore rupees? And what's changing for small companies at NSE? Most importantly, should you care? Welcome to Markets Today, your quick, simple market update for smarter investing. First up, Hindustan Unilever or HUL net profit fell 3.35% year on year in Q4. Now, compared to the previous quarter, profits dropped significantly by 17.2%. Revenue grew slightly by 2.68% year on year, but remained flat compared to the previous quarter. So, key takeaway for investors is that HUL is facing profit pressure, suggesting higher cost and muted demand. So, keep an eye on how the company manages these challenges next quarter. Next, Nestle India. Well, its shares fell sharply intraday in Thursday's trading after reporting a 6.5% year-on-year decline in profits for the recent quarter. Although the stock rebounded a bit, but it still closed lower. However, Nestle's shares have gained more than 9% since early April. Key takeaway for investors is Nestle's short-term profit slipped worried investors, but the stock's overall recovery indicates positive long-term expectations. So, watch the company's margin and market position. Third, NTPC Green Energy. Well, the company is planning to raise 5,000 crore rupees by issuing bonds or NCDs. Well, its board will meet on 29th of April to finalize this plan. So, keep an eye on this. Now, finally, NSE is tightening rules for small companies moving from the SME platform to the main exchange. Now, companies must meet conditions like having 100 crore rupees market value, profits in 2 of the last 3 financial years, and at least 500 public shareholders and net worth of at least 75 crore rupees. Stricter rules mean safer investments. Expect better quality companies on NSE's main board, reducing risk for investors. That's it for this episode of Markets Today. Catch you tomorrow for more insights. I'm Kanishka Gupta from Invested by Fires. Stay invested.